sit quietly and relax, breathing into the base of your spine. Scan your body for any areas of tension you may be holding in your energy. Now breathe into any place that feels tight, congested, or sore. Feel the strong arms of spirit holding you steady and firmly in your foundation. You cannot fall or fail in life. The spirit of you watches over you and protects you against all harm, and in the arms of spirit, you are always safe and stable. Feel this strength and grace in your spine, in the core of your belly, down your legs, and in your feet. This strength comes from calling spirit to you. Know that spirit will always guide you to higher ground. You may not know or understand your life path, but you will know you are safe and protected as you journey through life. Invite spirit into your life and ask spirit to stand with you. It feels like a great rock that shields you and protects you, supporting you as you are standing upright, living in truth and in your integrity. Spirit is always a resource you can call on. Feel yourself carried in the arms of spirit, and you will begin to trust its presence in your life. Ask for guidance by saying, "Beloved Spirit, one who has known me through lifetimes, thank you for your love and protection. I appreciate your vigilance and constancy in watching over my soul. You have given me encouragement when life seemed unmanageable and celebrated my accomplishments. Thank you for showing me the way and to know my values and virtues. As the living force within me, I know how deeply you love me. Show me how to deepen my trust in myself and in life, and to surrender to the higher good.